The Council of Governors is alleging the existence of a fresh plot to return the health function to the national government. Now, the governors say is through a calculated smear campaign, painting the devolved units as inept. At the same time, the CoG has accused the national government of denying them their equitable share, now crossing the 100 billion shilling mark, a few days before the end of the 2023-2024 financial year.
Seems to be the narrative being peddled around. And I want to say the Council of Governors and the counties have done very well as far as that is concerned. And we cannot be measured by just this one fact of death to the cancer, which is necessitated by a delay of disbursement. On the other hand, the national government had promised to give monies or capitalize cancer to the tune of 2 billion. And that was about 6 months ago. That money was taken off the budget that was supposed to be for MES equipments. To date, KEMSA has not received that money. And therefore, even KEMSA itself is struggling. So even when you look at the 3 billion that is said to be owed by the Council of Governors or the counties, let the national government also give the KEMSA the 2 billion so that it will be able to meet the order defer rates that is supposed to be over 70%.